How to transfer USDT from Bybit to Trust Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Trust Wallet. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Bybit app and then you have to log into your account. Tap Assets tab at bottom right corner of the screen. Select Withdraw option in the search bar and type USDD, and you have to tap on USDD option. First of all, you have to set up your account by adding email and setting up Google 2FA authentication if not set. Once you have done that, you'll be prompted to provide a withdrawal address. To get this address, you have to open your Trust Wallet account. In Trust Wallet, you have to search for USDT and you will see USDT available on various networks. For this demonstration, you can select Tron as well. After that, you have to tap on the receipt button to display the QR code and then deposit the address. You have to copy the address and return to Bybit app and paste the address in the designated field. Ensure you have selected TRC20 as the network and you have to enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Tap Withdraw button in the bottom right corner and on the next page, you have to review your withdrawal information and confirm your withdrawal. That's it. You have successfully transferred USDT from Bybit to Trust Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.